10 best foods high in glutamic acid. Glutamic acid is an amino acid that plays a key role in brain function, metabolism, and overall health. It's naturally found in many foods and contributes to the savory taste known as umami. Here are 10 foods that are particularly high in glutamic acid, offering both flavor and nutritional benefits. 1. Seaweed. Seaweed varieties like nori and kelp are rich in glutamic acid and offer a natural umami flavor, often used in Asian dishes. 2. Soy products. Soybeans, tofu, tempeh, and miso are excellent sources of glutamic acid, especially for plant-based diets. 3. Cheese. Aged cheeses such as Parmesan and Roquefort have high levels of glutamic acid, thanks to the fermentation process. 4. Tomatoes. Ripe tomatoes contain significant glutamic acid, adding umami flavor to both raw and cooked dishes. 5. Eggs. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a great source of glutamic acid and provide essential protein. 6. Meat and poultry. Lean meats like chicken and beef are packed with glutamic acid, helping with muscle repair and growth. 7. Fish and shellfish. Seafood, including salmon and tuna, is rich in glutamic acid and also provides omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Mushrooms. Shiitake and porcini mushrooms are natural sources of glutamic acid, offering a savory, umami taste. 9. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas provide glutamic acid along with fiber and protein. 10. Nuts and seeds. Almonds and sunflower seeds are high in glutamic acid, making them a healthy snack choice. Incorporating these foods into your diet can boost both your health and your meal's flavors. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.